Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by elevating command, prompt so commands change system settings. This is necessary. Once done, type ipconfig/all to confirm adapter names and current addresses so you can verify changes later. Make sure to close bandwidth-heavy apps to avoid conflicts while you reset. If you're on Wi-Fi, note the adapter name exactly. For wired connections, the adapter name differs. Write it down. Now you're ready to run the first reset commands. You'll execute 3 groups of commands to restore network defaults and clear caches. First, run netch winsock reset to restore the Windows sockets catalog. This fixes many application-level network errors. Next, run netch int IP reset log. txd to rebuild the TCP/IP stack. This undoes corrupted protocol settings. Finally, release and renew the address with ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew, and clear name resolution with ipconfig/flushtons, so DNS lookups start fresh. You must reboot to apply winsock and TCP/IP resets. That finalizes registry and service changes. Once restarted, verify settings with ipconfig/all and test connectivity by pinging 8 and a host name like Google. Com to check DNS. If you still have problems, make sure the adapter driver isn't corrupted. Open Device Manager, uninstall the adapter, then scan for hardware changes to reinstall. As a troubleshooting tip, run sfc/scano to repair system files that can block network services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.